Hello, this is Eric with Lone Star Acoustics, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on a QTX 300 and QTX 600. Okay, to set the volume on the QTX 300 or QTX 600, we're going to do that from the front panel here. And you'll see the opening screen, which shows the version of the software. And if you advance with the right arrow key here, if you push it a few times, you're going to get to where it says Zone 1 masking. So this is going to be Zone 1. So let's say this is for private offices. We have Zone 1 for private offices. We're actually going to set that at a 0, which is the factory default. The way to think about the volume, 0 is the baseline. You can go up or down from the 0. So 0 is going to be a great setting for private offices. If you advance to the next screen, you'll see it says music, and then the next screen says paging. We're only going to worry about that if you're using an active emitter system instead of the passive emitters. But for most of our applications, we're using passive emitters. So if you advance a couple more times, you'll get to the next zone. And let's say that that zone is for open office cubicle areas. Well, because that's more densely populated, we're going to bump that up. So we're going to put that at a 5. So that's what we're going to recommend, that you leave that out. And then again, if you keep scrolling, you've got your music, your paging, then you get to the third zone. And then if you scroll back around, you're to the front panel. So we'll be happy to help you find the setting for your particular space. Feel free to reach out to us at any time, 972-787-0808 or sales@lonestaracoustics.com.